It's a pleasure for me again to be in Romania. Where I'm coming from the mother of VMware. As maybe some of you know, that company called EMC, a big storage company, still owns roughly 85% of VMware. And I have spent 8 years with EMC, and I was privileged to work with Romanian customers such as Mobifone Connex, or Orange, or Rom Telecom. Yeah. Maybe you don't know, but 100% of Romanian telecom is running on EMC storage. Yeah. And now I will try to contribute to also make sure that the storage is supported by a decent operating system, such as decent middleware, or how to position VMware. Yeah. By the way, we all know what hardware is. Yeah. We use software. We share shareware. We love freeware. Yeah. So let's have a short look what VMware is all about. Yeah. Our revenue is growing 100% roughly every year. That means, of course, that the opportunity is there. Opportunity is huge. But also, to grow 100% every year, that means that the execution must be also there. Yeah? VMware is also famous for the execution. So let me start with the key IT obstacles or the problems we are trying to solve with our products. As you all know, there are some young ladies, a bit older guys, yeah? But I guess you are in IT for quite some time. Yeah? So we all see how IT is becoming still more and more complex. Yeah? I guess you all agree. Yeah? Should be other way around, but sorry. Yeah? Although we have a sexy Mac here, yeah, which is the leader in, I would say, user-friendliness, yeah, but it's still not enough. Yeah? There are some pressures. Yeah? Romania is the fresh member, but already member of the European Union. Yeah? And there are some now from Brussels coming some, regulations, recommendations how you should run your IT centers, what you should do, etc. Yeah? By the way, procurement. Yeah? Procurement is now with EU very, very complex, and I have heard that there is a project, probably the largest IT project in the history of Romania. It's a Ministry of Interior, the Romanian passports. Yeah? And this procurement process has been already 3 times stopped and renewed. And even VMware can help in such case, because I believe when once the procurement will be finished, yeah, time to implement this project will be very, very short. Yeah? And this is the best fit for VMware, by the way. Efficiency, yeah. You know that the history is moving in the cycles, yeah. Centralized computing, distributed, etc., etc. As far as the x86 servers are concerned, the efficiency is very, very low. Yeah? So we see some servers being utilized as low as like below 5%, which is basically based on the investments, based on the power, and that's not the way how computing should look like. And of course, resources. It would be nice if the IT community will grow, but the economics actually is trying to make the IT stuff as small as possible. And this is already coming into many as well. So we are trying to address all these problems and solve these issues. To summarize this, yeah, the IT capacity is growing, yeah, of course. There are still more powerful servers, but the business needs are growing much, much faster. But basically, there are like 4 major areas where VMware is active currently, and where our products are trying to solve the problems. The key one is actually something we call server proliferation, or server sprawl. Those of you who have Intel servers in your shops, IT shops, you know basically that you usually dedicate 1 server per application. Yeah? So there is a Exchange server, there is somebody with SQL server, there is web servers, usually one by one, you can see this is a real life story. The utilization in this particular customer was very, very close to zero. On the other hand, every server, whether it's utilized 5 or 90%, takes the same power. And this power is actually can grow to numbers such as 725 megawatt, which is probably the accumulated power consumption of the IT center in the US. With the correct approach, such as VMware, basically you can reduce this power consumption by the ratio 7:1. Here are some real numbers just to show you how bad is it. Yeah, we don't have numbers from Romania, but these are the US numbers. I don't think that the Eastern European numbers would be that different. The servers, the count of the servers will definitely grow in x86 space. By 2010, there should be 38 million of physical servers installed worldwide. The total investment will be $140 billion. The cost is like $1,000 per square feet, $2,400 per server, $40,000 per rack. Yeah. Cooling is actually, power and cooling is taking most of every $1. It's up to 50% of $1 being invested in the server acquisitions. And the operating cost is also very high. You pay $8 of maintenance per every $1 invested in your server acquisition, which are bad numbers. Yeah. The other key problem, especially in the x86 space, is the reliability of x86 computing. Yeah. So there is downtime. Yeah. There is downtime. It's happening everywhere. We distinguish between planned and unplanned, yeah, but downtime is bad whether it's unplanned or planned. Yeah. Sometimes the planned downtime becomes unplanned, yeah, become longer. Yeah. So these are the ideas, again, the areas where VMware is active. For customers who have implemented full solution, which we call virtual infrastructure, they have seen very big reducing the downtime. Yeah? Again, 10:1 ratio. We have seen customers reporting to us the uptime, not downtime, but uptime of 1,253 days, for example, typical number, which means that this is something like 3.5 years. If you divide it for Intel server, it's very good. And basically that means the life cycle of your server. Usually most of the companies are replacing the servers 3, 4, 5 years cycles. Yeah. So basically we can, when everything is properly installed, properly managed, we can guarantee the uptime during the whole life cycle of the server, which is new, I believe, in this space. We are not only active in the server space, we are also active in the desktop space. As you know, all those of you who are serving the banks or I don't know, insurances, every user wants to have the latest laptop or desktop, yeah? And there are some very innovative users who are installing their own software. And for you IT people, it's very, very difficult to manage such environment. Again, we can help. Yeah? We have products which address also these issues. For the software developers, they are also very, very hardware resource hungry. They want to test and code the programs on the servers, and they want to provision them very fast. And sometimes, you know, the window is very short and the provisioning time is very, very long. Yeah? Again, it's difficult, very difficult to address this problem with the old approach. Yeah? Virtualization is a way to go.